Hey everyone, over here we're going to break down how to call 911 on your iPhone without even dialing. Okay, let's get ahead and go through it step by step. First thing, what you're going to want to do is make sure you're using an iPhone 8 or later. Apple's got a few smart ways to trigger an emergency call fast. Method 1. Press and hold the side button and either volume button at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the emergency SOS slider appear on the screen. You can drag the slider right away to call 911. If you don't want to wait for the countdown, you can go ahead and turn on Call with 3 presses in Settings under Emergency SOS. Wow, that's quick and super helpful in a panic moment. Now, Method 2. You can also set your iPhone to call 911 by pressing the side button 3 times in a row. To do that, go to Settings, tap on Emergency SOS and turn on Call with 3 presses. Once that's on, just quickly press the side button 3 times and it'll start a countdown. After the countdown finishes, your iPhone will automatically call emergency services. Oh, great! Right here's an option that makes it easier if your screen's locked or your hands are full. Method 3. You can use Siri. Just say, "Hey Siri, call 911." Siri's going to ask for confirmation before making the call, so you don't accidentally trigger it. You can make out how Apple built in that extra safety layer. Anyways, that's it. 3 quick and bright ways to call emergency services without even touching the dial pad. Make sure you try them once so you know how it works before you actually need it. If you have any other questions or need help setting it up, drop them below and I'll help you out.